Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite desserts, my mixed berry cheesecake. This one has always been a favorite among all my family and friends, so let's get started. Here are the ingredients you're going to need to make my mixed berry cheesecake. First, for the crust, you're going to need 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs, or 2 cups if you like a thicker crust, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. For the filling, you're going to need 2.5 pounds of cream cheese, 1.5 cups of sugar, 5 large eggs, 2 large egg yolks, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1.5 tablespoons of lemon zest, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. For the berry topping, you can choose any jam of your choice. I used a boysenberry jam, and then I added blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries for the topping. Alright, so I've already pre-made the graham cracker crust, but it's basically just 1.5 cups of crushed up graham crackers, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and then 6 tablespoons of melted butter. And then you're going to want to make sure that you spray your pans with some non-stick cooking spray. I'm using a 9-inch spring form pan. And then I also have these cute little heart spring form pans, so I'm going to be making little Valentine's Day cheesecakes as well. So first you're just going to, once you have your crumb mixture all ready, you're going to pour it straight into your pan. Alright, and then with your hands you're just going to firmly press it until it coats the bottom of the pan. If you like a thicker crust, I would suggest doing maybe 2 cups of the crushed graham crackers instead of 1.5. But if you don't like a thick crust on your cheesecake, then I would just stick to doing the 1.5 cups. Alright, it should look something like this once it's done. And now we're going to pop this into the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Alright, so while we wait for our crust to cook, we're going to make our cheesecake filling. You're going to need 5 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese. And just pop that right into your mixer. Alright, once you have your 5 blocks of cream cheese, you're going to add in 1.5 cups of sugar. Now we're going to mix this on medium speed for about 5 minutes until it is light and fluffy. Once that's nice and fluffy, we're going to put the mixer on low speed, and then we're going to add 5 eggs plus 2 egg yolks, 2 at a time until it's well incorporated. Next, we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of lemon zest. And 1/4 cup of sour cream. And now mix on low speed. Now we're gonna add in 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And mix again till it's well incorporated. All right, now that our cheesecake mixture is ready, we're gonna pour them into our pans that we baked our crust in. I've never made a mini cheesecake before, so I'm pretty excited to see how these heart ones turn out. I think they would be super cute for Valentine's Day, so we'll see how they turn out. And once it's in your pan, make sure that it's all even. Once your cheesecake is all ready to go, pop it in the oven at 450 degrees for 15 minutes. After it's baked for 15 minutes, drop the heat down to 225 degrees and cook it for another hour and 15 minutes. Once the cheesecake has been in the oven for an hour and 15 minutes, turn off your oven and open the door and let it sit on the rack for 30 minutes. Now for the topping of our cheesecake, I like to use boysenberry jam, but you can use any kind of jam, raspberry, blackberry, any kind of berry. And we're just gonna put it into our pot over low heat until it's nice and melted. And then once it's nice and liquidy, we're gonna go ahead and add our fresh berries. Once it's all melted, it should look a little something like this. And now we're gonna add in our berries. I use raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries. Once the berries are nicely coated, we're gonna set it aside till it's nice and cool and then add it on top of our cheesecake. And now we're gonna add on our mixed berries onto the top of the cheesecake. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And if you guys try out this recipe, be sure to let me know how it turns out. All right, once you have your 5 containers of 8-ounce cream cheese,